45-story launch tower and its Apollo Saturn V cargo are moved from the VAB to the launch pads by a transporter designed by Space Center engineers.
These mammoth beasts that first carried all the Apollo Saturn V rockets have since borne every space shuttle on the last earthbound leg of their journeys to space. For more than 40 years, the twin crawler transporters at NASA's Kennedy Space Center have slowly traveled the gravel track between the massive vehicle assembly building and the two launch pads at Launch Complex 39.
At 59 years old, the crawlers have lasted far longer than most vehicles, and that's because of the dedicated crawler operators who spend most of their time maintaining and upgrading them. Now, Crawler Transporter 2 has returned to its roots of supporting NASA's missions to the moon, this time through Artemis. To do this, teams upgraded it to carry the Space Launch System, its heaviest load yet. As long as there are rockets that need to get from point A to point B, the crawlers will keep rolling.